friend. It is just another beautiful day to learn the letter sounds with Miss Anita. I am so excited to meet you here today, and I always look forward to this lesson. Okay, we are going to learn a new letter sound. But before we do that, let's go through the letter sounds we know so that we don't forget them. Okay? Alright, say the letter sounds with me. Let's go. Oops, hope they're not upset then. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Sorry, friend. Okay. Off we go. Yes. S. Ah. Let's say them together. T. I. Well done, friend. We are so ready for today's lesson. Give me a wiggle. Good job. Now, let's check if we have everything we need for our lesson to be successful. Do you have your workbook? Yes! Do you have your pencils and colored pencils? Yes! Good job. Do you have your soul tray to practice letter formation? Yay! Well done. Looks like you are ready. Now, here comes our secret bag. In this bag, there is something for us. I wonder what it is. Say, check it, Miss Anita. All right, I'll check it. Oh, it's a ripe, yellow, yummy mango. Say mango. Say it louder, mango. Good job. Do you like mangoes? Mangoes are fruits and they grow on trees. They are very delicious and I love mangoes. I can eat a mango every day. Now, friend, I want you to think really carefully about the word mango. Say mango. What sound do you hear at the beginning? You are right. We hear m sound. Today we are thinking about m sound. This is letter M and it makes the sound mm. Say mm. Can you do that with me? Mm. One more time. Mm. Like in mango. All right. Are you ready to sing? Let's sing the M sound. All right. The M says the M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says One more time. Let's do it together with a loud and clear voice. Let's go. The M says the M says Every letter makes a sound. The M says Well done. Good job, friend. Now, in your workbook, I have a job for you to do. Letter M makes the sound like in mango. Alright, so in your book here, you have a picture of a mango to color. What color is the mango? This one is yellow, some are green and some are yellow. Which color do you want to use for your mango? I prefer a yellow. I'm going to make it yellow. So, please color your mango. As you color it, remember to make the sound like me. Pause the video. Have you colored your mango? Can you please show me? Wow, good coloring. Here is mine as well. It's a yellow ripe mango. friends, now we are going to do our favorite activity, the sorting game. In the basket, we are going to place in things that start with and then in the bag, in the plastic bag, we are going to place in all things that start with other sounds. Look, what do we have here? What is this? Yes, it is the yummy bread. Bread. Do we hear at the beginning of the word bread? Bread? No. So, where do we put it? In the bag. Good job. Ooh, what is this? Yes, you are right. It's an orange. A green, big orange. Say orange. Orange. Good job. What sound do we hear at the beginning of the word orange? We hear O, but we are looking for That means it goes in the bag. Ooh, mango. Bag or a basket or bag? Mango. Yes, we put it in the basket. Why? You are right, because it starts with sound. Excellent. Ooh, milk. This is milk. Milk. Say milk. Milk. Do you like milk? I like milk. It's delicious and it gives me strength. Now, friend, what sound do we hear at the beginning of the word milk? Yes, you are right. We hear Then it goes in the basket. What is this? Avocado. You're right. Do you hear at the beginning of avocado? Nope. Where do we put it? In the bag. What is this? Yes, you are right. It's a maca. 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 Bag or basket? You are right. It goes in the basket. Good job, friend. That was amazing. Let's see. How many things we have in the basket that start with sound? Let's see. Milk, maca, mango. Good job. Can you find any things in the house that start with sound? Look around and shout them out. Alright, friend, in your book, you have a job to do. Alright? So you have a bunch of pictures here. I want you to name them, okay? If you find that a picture begins with sound, you circle it. If it starts with another sound, you leave it out or you cross it out. Okay? Pause the video and have a go. Well done, friend. I hope you've been able to find all things that start with sound over here. Now, our next job is to learn how to write sound correctly. We are going to start with the salt tray and then use our pencil or colored pencil to form letter M, which makes the sound. Alright, let's go. Alright, to write letter M or sound we go down the road, back up the road, over the bridge, go down, back up the road, over the bridge, and down. Alright, one more time. Down the bridge, down the road, go back up the road, go over the bridge, go down, go back up the road, go over the bridge, and go down. Alright, pause the video and have a go doing this in your salt tray. Now to form letter M or sound we are going to start from the dot go down the road, back up the road, go over the bridge, go down, up, over the bridge, and down. Okay? After that, we are going to use to do the little ones. Try to follow these numbers. 1, then 2, then 3. Okay? All right. Down, oops, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge, and down. Down, up, over the bridge, down, up, over the bridge. Last one. Down, over the bridge, down, up, down. Pause the video and have a go at writing over them. Hi friend, you have successfully completed lesson 8. Give yourself a soft pat on the shoulder. Because of a good job, well done. I want you to go to the back of the book, back of your book, and find lesson 8. You are going to paste a sticker over here. Alright, if you have stickers, if you don't have them, you can draw a smiley face for a good job done. Just like me. Well done, Miss Anita. Alright, friend. Thank you for working really hard. I'll see you tomorrow in another lesson.